So in this video we're going to discuss about the new flagship mobile, that is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, which is the beast mobile which is coming from Xiaomi side. That this mobile is going to come with a 6.82 inches of dynamic AMOLED display, and it is going to be a 120Hz refresh rate display, nothing fancy in that, but it is going to be comes with a Qualcomm their own Xiaomi's super protection glass, and it is going to be a HDR10 plus supported 1 billion color supported 8-bit panel. When we talk about this mobile's processor, yeah, this is a, as I already said, that this is a flagship mobile, so it is also going to come with a flagship processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is an octa-core 5G 300 based processor. This mobile is going to come in different storage variants. Those are like 8GB, 12GB RAM 256, and 12GB RAM 512GB, and 16GB of RAM, and with 1TB of internal storage. Now these are all going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacity along with the LPDDR5X Ultra RAM types. And when we talk about this mobile's the top end feature, that is the camera section. Because this mobile is made for cameras, even though it is a performance mobile, this mobile doesn't compromise in camera section. When we talk about the camera, this mobile comes with a quad rear cameras, where we can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of telephoto lens, and also a 200 megapixels of periscopic camera, and also a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. Now these are Leica partnership cameras, so you will also get Leica filters and Leica features in this mobile itself out of the box, and we can shoot up to 8K 30 fps with this mobile back camera. For the front, it comes with 38 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, which can also be used to shoot up to 4K 60 fps videos. And when we talk about the battery, to power up this beast mobile, we need a bigger battery, right? Obviously this mobile is going to come with a 6000 mAh of huge cell, and it is going to support 100 watts of fast charge through wire. Now when we talk about the wireless charging, I think this mobile might come with a 50 watts of wireless charge support and 4.5 watts of wireless charge, according to some reports on internet. But some of them saying like this mobile doesn't even have any wireless charging. We need to wait until the release of this mobile, which I'm going to explain when it is going to release, so we have to see that. And when we talk about the other features like multimedia, this mobile is going to come with the stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack. And when we talk about the operating system, this mobile runs on Android version 16 out of the box with Hyper OS 3. Now this is also going to be a really smooth OS this time, because Xiaomi improved a lot of things in this Hyper OS 3 after the release of the mobile. We can see in another channels who are going to review this mobile and unbox this mobile. So when we talk about the other features of this mobile, like build quality, this is a complete metal and glass build, like front and back glasses, and frame is a aluminum frame. When we talk about this mobile's protection, this comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and face unlock ID, obviously, and it is also going to come with the IP68 and IP69 resistance. Yes, and this mobile is going to come with the USB Type-C Gen 3.2, which you can use to stream the games, like connecting an Elgato device. And when we are going to talk about these mobiles sensors, like this mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. When we talk about the connectivity, this mobile is going to come with almost 17 plus 5G bands, and it will come with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band for support, Bluetooth 6.0, and NFC. Obviously all the features it will include in itself. When we talk about the box container, this mobile is going to come with a mobile itself, charger and a cable and a TPU case, and also a USB tool and some quick start guides and stuff like that in the box of the mobile. So when we talk about this mobile's release date, this mobile is releasing on 26th in China, but in India I don't know when they will release, or it might come to India or not. You need to just import from other countries, so that's the thing which we need to confirm in future. When we talk about the price, yeah, in India, if it releases in India, it might comes with a price tag of 1,11,910, almost 1,12,000 rupees in between that price range. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button, that is important. Okay.